Can I bring us the meal? Please, thank you so much.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? For First We Feast, I'm Sean Evans, coming at you from Burgerito in Park Slope, Brooklyn, where I'm joined by a familiar face. Harley Morenstein is back in the building. You know Harley is the commander-in-chief of Epic Mealtime, the best cooking channel in the history of YouTube, where you can catch him and the gang pushing junk food to crazy, sometimes terrifying new heights. And speaking of, he has a new venture, Epic Snack Time. Pizza in a bag. What is that all about?
It's pizza in a bag. It's honestly, it's 90% exactly as it sounds. It's a pepperoni jerky. And by the way, it's called Super Snack Time, the snack brand. I can't use Epic Mealtime because a major corporation already trademarked Epic Mealtime in the food space. I'm Canadian, so that's my first lesson in America. I'm very happy with Super Snack Time. It's available in every single Walmart. It's jerky that tastes very much like pizza.
And that's what brings us to Burgerito, ground zero for mashups here in New York City, because today we're playing Dr. Frankenstein with some of America's most iconic fast food menu items. What happens if you put KFC chicken fingers into a Taco Bell Quesarito? What happens when you try to mix a Big Mac with a Chick-fil-A sandwich? Does it work? We'll find out today.
For me, yes, but yeah. My bad. I'm fired up about this, just very excited.
First up, we have the Big Filet. It's a cross between the Big Mac from McDonald's and the spicy chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A. We start with the hamburger bun, add mac sauce, lettuce, cheese, and a spicy chicken cutlet, another slice of bread, more mac sauce, more lettuce, more spicy chicken, and finally some pickles in the bun. And Harley, I know on Epic Mealtime, you guys once made a 100-pound Big Mac. In terms of structural integrity, why is the Big Mac such a nice thing to work off of?
I just feel like this, well, first of all, the middle bread makes it classic. So you could see that and be like, oh, it's Big Mac style, right? Does anyone else have this middle?
I think
this middle bun just doesn't exist for anything else, right? Only McDonald's should have patented the middle bun if they haven't done it. I like how accurate you went with the one slice of cheese.
We did.
Yeah, McDonald's is like, yeah, you get the middle bread, you get 2 patties. What, you want 2 slices of cheese? Relax, you pig. You know, I like that. That's funny, it's better than a Big Mac.
It's kind of gross, but kind of not. Mm-hmm. You know?
I like to ignore the gross part. Like when I shower.
What's your take on Chick-fil-A? Do they have them in Canada?
I don't think we have a Chick-fil-A, but when I go to LA, I'm big on Chick-fil-A. I would much prefer a Chick-fil-A to an In-N-Out burger. As a Canadian that is, you know, far removed from the whole scene and the hype and all that, Chick-fil-A is
an objective voice of truth in this whole thing.
Yes, exactly. You know, I got no skin in the game. Chicken skin, maybe. Ow.
On a scale from 1 to 10, what are you giving this mashup?
You know, like the old Daredevil movies? Mm-hmm. Ben Affleck? The old ones, the not good ones? I like those movies. I'm genuinely a very easy person to please. Do you like Big Macs? Guess what? You're gonna like this Chick-Mac. This is a 9 out of 10 experience for me.
Damn.
Yeah.
The Mac Filet to me is a 6.5 out of 10.
Wow. Wow. What did you think of Last Jedi?
Well, I'm just trying to play bad cop to your good cop. There has to be some sort of balance.
Otherwise, like it's just like, look at these 2 guys eating burgers and just enjoying themselves.
Right.
Let's get some controversy.
Looks crazy, but it is better than I thought it would be. And I thought I'd only take maybe 1 bite, and I ended up, you know, clearing out half the sandwich.
But this is like a meal and a half. This is a big patty. Shout out to Big Patty, by the way. I took her to prom in high school. I miss you, boo.
All right, next up we have the crispy chicken tender quesarito, brought to you by the good folks at KFC and Taco Bell. Basically, we split open a quesarito and shove mac and cheese and extra crispy chicken tenders inside before rolling it back up. And then before we take a bite, I want you to think about that Hot Ones episode when you were talking about combining the KFC and the Taco Bell together, and if this lives up to the vision that you had in your head.
Think about this. You know how there's like a Taco Bell and a KFC and they're under the same roof? Mm-hmm. Why can't you ask for a fried chicken burrito?
It's actually good as fuck.
This is a 9 on 10 right here. It was a 9 on 10 experience for me.
I'm right with you, and I would even crank it up to a 9.3.
Wow, I was gonna go 9.5 and I thought you were gonna think I was an idiot that
No.
just gives out 9s and 9-ups like nothing, but
I'm the one being generous right now.
you like mac and cheese, don't you?
I do. A
Jesus.
mac and cheese burrito is brilliant.
I felt like I traveled like 40 years through time, and I wasn't sure if it was forwards or backwards. I just left this space and had an intense out-of-body experience, and I felt like I was somewhere else. Not somewhere else, somewhen else.
Well, this particular course has a bonus section, so let's see if we can take this out-of-body experience higher and higher, higher, because we're here at Burgerito with the namesake item, which is exactly what it sounds like, a burgerito.
I was walking up, I'm like, I know what's going on here. I know what's going on here. Yeah, this place is good.
And it's practical because, you know, a burger, especially when you have the cheese, the sauce, the fries, you know, it can be very messy. But this, very portable, very
It is.
clean.
Yeah, this is like, hey scumbag, you like eating burgers in your car, don't you? Well, how about this, Burgerito, Harley. I'm talking to me, by the way.
These I put in the same class. They're in the 9s. You know,
Yeah.
some people will try it and say it's a 10.
Who?
Some people will say that it's a 9.2.
Who?
And some people will say it's a 9.4. But no one's going lower than 9.
No, not a real person. You know who would go lower than 9?
Who?
The Nazis.
Right.
And you don't want to be that, do you, people?
No.
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 I give this a 9.5. Love it.
All right, this time around, it's Shake Shack and Taco Bell. We have the double nacho fries Shack burger. We start with a Martin's potato roll on the bottom, then a Shake Shack burger patty, some Taco Bell nacho fries, another burger patty, more nacho fries, and then top it off with lettuce, tomato, and Shack sauce. I know that's Shake Shack. You can't get it in Canada, but when you come to New York, it's your first stop. What do you
Yeah.
love so much about Shake Shack?
Shake Shack itself. I'm very big on, listen, I'm from Canada, so I'm not tainted by any expectations, or I have no allegiance to anyone.
No skin in the
Shake
game.
Shack, better than In-N-Out. It's not even a debate for me, not even close. Shake Shack, Five Guys, BurgerFi, they all cuck a pee-pee on In-N-Out, and I'm just saying this, I'm so sorry, but that's just from the bottom of my heart.
I'm gonna have a heart attack, I think. I don't think that there's any reason for this to exist. It was a little smoky, kind of bland. I can't picture a scenario in which this would be a good thing.
I like Taco Bell.
Right. And you love
I like
Shake
Shake Shack. I'm a big, big believer that if you like this thing and you like that thing, you like both things.
You'll love this thing.
Yeah. But, I mean, I love cereal. And I love hot sauce. But hot sauce and cereal don't go well.
Never should the two meet.
No, this is cereal hot sauce.
Yeah, I
I'm
would
very
agree
unhappy
with
about
that.
this.
Yeah,
I think I would make a
out.
couple adjustments. I think I would remove all the Taco Bell entirely.
Yeah.
And then I'd be very happy with it.
And then we just have a great burger.
I'm gonna give this a no on 10.
Yeah.
No on 10.
I'm gonna give this a 1. I don't
love that you
think that
just
there's
slap
a
it.
0. I want to punch it. I want to just elbow drop.
You
it.
automatically get for effort for it existing is automatic 1. We're also coming hot off the Burgerito, which really was a good burger and like Mexican Texan combination already.
Yeah.
This is just like his ugly brother. We just had Alec Baldwin. This is Stephen Baldwin.
Right. Something went wrong.
Yeah, exactly. Something went wrong.
The last course, we have just a bunch of fast food raw ingredients, from mac and cheese to spicy chicken fillets, Chick-fil-A sauce to a Big Mac to fries and then some. You have to use at least 6 menu items to make a Frankenstein, disgusting fast food concoction. I'll make something for you, Harley. You make something for me, Harley, and then we'll just see who wins.
That is pretty much, guys, how you become best friends with someone. In a short period of time, bonding experiences like this, boom, best buds.
I'd take a bullet for you, buddy.
Yeah? Well, I see what you're doing. So you're going like keeping the Big Mac going mac and cheese on it. Well, I'm gonna go a little different. I'll use the burrito as an exterior. Shout out to my boys at Burgerito. Cast them out. Let's go with this bad boy over here. You can't go wrong. My boy Sean likes his mac and cheese.
Love
Goops.
So this is Sean's big, spicy chicken mac and cheese disaster burger, and I made it with love, especially for you, Harley.
Thank you so much. This is the Harley's Big Delicious Disaster Burrito.
Here you go, buddy.
That was, did you see his drool on your camera? Did you get that? That was crazy, eh? Oh, hey, the beef and chicken combo is great.
You know, today we've been mixing two spots, and it's kind of hit or miss. But on this last one, when I bit through it, I felt like I briefly visited 10 different fast food spots.
Let me go on that journey because I was just like, well, yum, and I didn't analyze it enough. But let me go on that journey. I'll be back in a minute.
Yeah, I'll wait for you.
That was amazing. I almost got into an accident on my way back. Burgerito, you guys got some competition.
Yeah, watch out, watch out.
Me and Sean can make a restaurant where we just buy other people's stuff and squish it together.
All right, Harley, this was a good, disgusting time. I don't think that I'll be doing it again, but I'm happy to have shared this experience with you.
I'll be doing it every Tuesday on Epic Mealtime. That's my life.
And then let's bring it on home. Harley making his dreams come true. Super snack time, pizza in a bag. Be on the lookout. Harley, so proud of you, my man.
Every single Walmart in the USA. It tastes like pizza. It's pepperoni jerky. It's incredible.
Jerky mogul over here. I'm Sean Evans. Till next time, internet. Harley, it was good seeing you, my man.
I missed you, man. This has been
you too.
awesome to catch up.